Among the several libraries available in ASAP is the Scatter Model Library. This library contains the optical properties of many materials used in industry. Each model is created by measuring scatter from a laser directed at the material and then fitting a curve to the collected data. These measurements are typically performed here at Breault in our scatterometer lab. The Scatter Model Library can be accessed through the ASAP Quick Start bar. Scatter models are typically categorized by their manufacturer, with the exception of the Other category, which contains general materials and other miscellaneous materials. If you want to see more detailed information about a model, just double-click the model name, and a window will appear displaying specifics about the material and the model measurement. You can also view its BSDF plot by clicking on View Plot. When you are ready to utilize a scatter model in your script, simply drag the name of the model from the Quick Start bar into your script, and ASAP will automatically insert the scatter parameters. In addition to the many scatter models currently available in ASAP, the Breault Scatter Model Library is frequently updated. As part of the Breault Library installer, new scatter models are released to customers approximately every 60 days. Each installer is cumulative, meaning that customers with current maintenance plans can just install the latest installer to have every scatter model available in ASAP. Some of the latest materials included in the Scatter Model Library are from such manufacturers as Alanod, MoldTech, Tenibac, and Tenizawa. If you would like to have particular models that are not available, you are encouraged to complete the feedback form at Breault.com and tell us the materials that you are requesting. High priority is given to customer-requested models, and those models can usually be included in the next bi-monthly library installer. Optical designers already find Breault's Scatter Model Library to be essential in their designs. With frequent updates, this library is growing at a fast pace and will continue to expand the functionality of ASAP in the future.